Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria. I am so glad you're here. Thank you guys for tuning in to another crochet video. I'm having so much fun making these crochet vlogs for y'all, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I really don't have like a structured type video. I'm just gonna be working on my current projects in this video and seeing if I can complete them. Hopefully I can. Let me catch you guys up on the projects and like little things I've made since the last time I posted a video. So first I made this little, well not first, but I made this little granny square bag. It's just 3 big granny squares and I really like the color combo. And it has a little strap. And I think it's cute. I'll probably sell it, but it's cute. This is my first time making a bag like that. Oh, I also made these little pouches. So look at this one. It reminds me of like kind of like cottagecore little colorway. But I'm trying to find like little items I can sell at like markets coming up this fall. So I have been trying to make pouches. And I have one in this colorway. It kind of matches it's the same colors as this, so that's cute. But these little pouches are listed in my Etsy, so click the link down below. Yeah, I have started my Etsy shop, by the way. I only put one item in there so far, but I need to upload more stuff. But I don't know, Etsy gives me a headache, so it's gonna be a process. I made this little trinket dish, like jewelry holder or whatever you want to call it. I don't know why I use these colors. These colors are so ugly, but I was really just wanting to do something while I was watching TV and I was laying in the bed. So I was just reaching to my like scrap yarn cart on the side of the bed. And those are the colors that were on it. So it is what it is. It'll be for me. So the project I've been working on, I'm making one of the hexagon granny stitch sweaters. So this is the sleeve. And I can't wait to steam this because this is so stiff. But this is the sleeve and this is the side. But I ran out of yarn, so I had to get more yarn. So I think it's gonna look so cute when it's fully done. But so yeah, I have to do the whole other side, like another one of these, and then I have to do like the back panel and add some length to the bottom. But yeah, I can finally get back into it because I've been waiting for my yarn to come in because I don't know why I could not find the Super Saver ombre anywhere except for Walmart.com, and it's the cheapest on Walmart anyway, so I'm looking for some scissors. Yeah, it just came this morning, a few minutes ago. Why do they have so much tape on this box? Hold on. Yay. We got it. That was a challenge. Okay, this is the outside string. This is gotta be the inside string. Yep. I hope it ombre is the same because I feel like this one has a different ombre than the last one I had. Like the order. We'll see. But I'm gonna get started on this other side. I'm gonna probably montage a little bit later. But yeah, I will check back in when I have some progress. Just checking in before I start. It is 12:57, so 1 o'clock. I don't know when I'll check in with y'all again, but I am watching The 100 on Netflix. I don't know if y'all have ever watched this, but this is like my 4th time rewatching the whole series, and I'm on season 5, so yeah, this is my comfort show that I can rewatch anytime I want to crochet. Let me know if y'all have a comfort show or movie that y'all watch every time y'all crochet. Okay, you guys, so it is 1:57, so it's been about an hour. And this is what I got so far. I haven't been really going super speed, but I think I got a good amount done. I think I'm gonna crochet for about another hour, so I'll check in with y'all about 3 o'clock. And then, I don't know, I might be done for today. I'm not sure. I'm not really in the mood. Okay, it is 5:15 currently. I took a break from 3 to 4, and I started back at 4, and this is how far I've gotten. So for comparison, it's gonna be like this size whenever I'm done. So yeah, I still got a little ways to go. But yeah, I think I'm about to take another break though, but I will update you if I continue anymore today. So it's like 11:40. It's been a long time. I took a lot of breaks, but I've been working on it in and out for all through tonight. This is how far I've gotten. So we're gonna compare it to the other side. I think I need to do a few more rows. It's coming along, and let's wait. Or it's supposed to go this way. I don't know, but they're not matching up all the way, so I think I'm gonna have to do like another row. I don't know if I'm gonna do that tonight or if I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. If y'all see me again, y'all see me again. If not, you see me tomorrow. Alright. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. I am gonna continue working on my sweater, but first, I got a little yarn haul for y'all. I just did a pickup order for Michael's, and I went to Dollar Tree and got some yarn. I don't know if y'all use Dollar Tree yarn, but it's good. So if y'all want to try it, I suggest it. I'm gonna start with Dollar Tree though. So I got this big basket for $3. And then these are the yarns that I got. This is really storage for my yarn because I don't have much storage for my yarn. I got 2 of these. This one's kind of unraveling. The color is teal. I don't have any teal, so that's why I got that. I got this brown. I really love this like tweed brown color that they have. And I always get this one over and over, so I got 2 of those. I saw this pretty pink color that I haven't seen before at Dollar Tree, so I got 2 of these. And these 2, I'm using these both for projects right now, so I needed some more. So yeah, that's all I got from Dollar Tree, along with this basket. So this is my bag from Michael's. I'm just kind of building my yarn stash, really. So that's why I got a bunch of yarns. And right now, Michael's has 30% off. I don't know if it's in store, but if you order online, even for pickup, you get 30% off your whole order. So instead of $3.99 each, these ended up being like $2.79 each. So good deal. So all of them that I got is the Michael's brand loops and threads. And it's their soft classic acrylic. I got this first one in gray because I don't have any gray in my yarn collection at all. I wanted to get a bunch of nudes, so, and like browns. They didn't have some of the browns in stock, so I might have to order online. But this color is taupe, and this color is dark taupe. This color is called wine. I think this is gonna be a really pretty color for the fall. I got this in sage green. I'm making a lock sock for my friend, and she wants hers to be like all green, and I didn't have enough shades of green, so that's why I got these green shades. So that one, and I got this other green shade that is leaf green. That's what this one's called. This one is called coffee, and this last one is this pretty bubblegum pink. It's just called pink. It's not called bubblegum pink, but look how pretty it is. The camera's not even doing it justice, but that is such a pretty color, pink, and I can't wait to make something with this. So that is my little mini yarn haul. I'm gonna get back into my sweater. Yeah, so I didn't work on any of the sweater after the last time I checked in with you yesterday, so I think I have to do one more row, and then I can start doing the back paneling and the bottom. Oh, and the sleeve. But yeah. Hey y'all, so it is Monday, so it has been a very long time since I have updated you guys. I had my niece for the weekend, so I couldn't really, work on it. But today I finished my other sleeve. So now I have 2 full sleeves complete. So yeah, so now both of the sleeves are complete. So I just need to make the back panel and add some length to the bottom. I am excited to finish this. And I'm gonna keep on working and keep you guys updated. Okay, y'all, so I did the 2 back sides on the sleeves. This is like the extra on one side. This is the extra on the other side. And basically it just needs to be stitched together like that. I wish I could show this better, but I'm about to stitch it up and I'll update you when I'm done. Okay, you guys, I finished the back. So now all I have to do is finish making the length, making it long enough. But this is what the back look like. I really like how it's coming together. I'm so excited to be finished. Hey y'all, I'm finally done with the sweater. So I'm really not sure how this project that was supposed to take maybe 3 or 4 days turned into like 2.5 weeks, but at least I completed it. That's all I gotta say. So after I made it how long I wanted it, I added like a single crochet border around the front. And yeah, so all that's left to do is to steam it, and I wanted to show y'all. So I'm about to do that right now, and then I'm gonna show y'all a little 360 whatever. I'm trying to figure out where to hang it to steam it so I can show you guys, because I don't really have a place to steam it. I can hang it on, okay, yeah, I'm gonna hang it on this lamp. Okay, this is kind of ghetto, I ain't gonna lie, but it's okay. Oh no, okay. Sorry that the lighting's bad, but I need this to be able to steam it to show you guys. So, y'all, and this steamer is just from Walmart, so don't think you gotta have some type of fancy steamer. Okay, you guys, it is officially finished. What y'all think? Let me know down in the comments what y'all think of the sweater. I think it turned out amazing, even though it took me like 3 times as long as I planned it to, but it's okay. Y'all, I cannot wait till the fall time. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm so excited. I found my mic that I bought forever ago and never used, and I'm testing it out. Hopefully it sounds good. If not, we're not gonna use it anymore. But yeah, this sweater took me 2 and like maybe a quarter skein of the Red Heart Super Saver ombre. But I am little, so if you're taller and want it longer, it's gonna take you at least 3. But with that being said, that's all I have for you guys today. I am so glad you guys came along with me on this journey, and it was a journey to complete this sweater, but it all worked out in the end. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all are subscribed, because if you're not subscribed at this point, what are you doing? But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all guys next time.
doctors